Hey guys! Welcome to the second episode of my Axial SCX10 build series. The axles have been assembled in the last video, and in this episode, I will go over steps 6 to 14 of the SCX10 Raw Builders Kit. Let's begin. For steps 6 to 14, you will need bag B, parts from plastic bag 1, some thread lock, and a hex wrench. Step 6. Assembling the steering links and panhard bar. To make sure you are using links of the right size, you can compare the length of the links in the diagram on the manual. After you have the right size, you can dab some thread lock on the bottom of a set screw and screw it into the link. Do the same thing for the other side as well as the rest of the links. After the set screws are installed, you can screw on the rod ends. Note that not all of the rod ends are the same, so pay attention to the correct parts listed in the manual. Now it gets harder and harder to screw in by hand, so using 2 hex wrenches or anything you can stick into the rod ends can make the process much faster and easier. After the rod ends are installed, you can push in the pillow balls to complete this step. Step 7 requires the installation of the steering links and panhard onto the front axle. First, secure the panhard bar to the axle with one screw. Then, secure the longer steering link to the left steering knuckle. After that, you can feed the screw through the shorter steering link and secure the other side of the longer steering link to the right steering knuckle. Steps 8 and 9 are the assembly of the front suspension links and have essentially the same process as step 6. Step 10 requires the installation of the suspension links onto the front axle. You can secure the left and right bottom links each with one screw. Then, place the upper left link and pillow ball into position and slide the screw in to secure them. For step 11, you will need to choose your wheelbase before assembling the rear suspension links. There are 3 options: 12.3 inch, 12.0 inch, and 11.4 inch. Since most rock crawler bodies have a 12.3 inch wheelbase, I will go with the longest wheelbase option. Since I chose the 12.3 inch wheelbase, I can continue on to step 11. But if you chose the 12.0 inch wheelbase, skip to step 12, and if you chose the 11.4 inch, skip to step 13. Steps 11 to 13 are also essentially a repeat of step 6. Moving on to step 14, you can secure the left and right bottom links each with a screw, and the left and right upper links with a single screw, completing the bottom half of the truck. So that completes episode 2 of the Axial SCX10 build series. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. Like always, I'll see you guys in the next one.